Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust touch sensitivity on iPhone. If you ever wake up one day, say for example you made some changes, and then part of the changes that you've made is somehow you made small mistakes on touch sensitivity, here's how you're going to fix it. So say for example, in this case I can't really touch it that fast, so as you can see the movement is pretty slow. So what you are going to do is just head over to the search right here, click that one, and then I want you to go ahead and type here touch accommodation. All right, there you go. You have the first option at the top. I want you to go ahead and click that one. And then from here, the thing that you are going to do is just turn on the touch accommodation right here. So it says here, if you have trouble using the touchscreen, adjust the following settings to change how the screen will respond to touches. Now that's very important. Another is hold duration. You are going to go ahead and turn that. And lastly will be the ignore repeat. So yeah, once you do all of these, you should be able to have a very good response from your iPhone. And if, say, for example, it still hasn't worked for you, what you can do is basically what you can do is just try to see if your, let's say, screen protector might be causing it. But yeah, that is rarely the issue, but it could happen. Again, that's how you are going to adjust touch sensitivity on iPhone.